ffmpeg can use Photoshop curve files to correct video clips. The curve2ffmpeg Python script converts a GIMP curve into ffmpeg code to adjust the levels and white balance in a video clip. Run the curve2ffmpeg script with the -i option and then the path to a GIMP curve file. You can batch process all the GIMP curves in the current directory using the curve2ffmpeg script and the find command. If I list the files in the current directory, we can see we've got a video file. I'll open the video file with the MPV player and seek to about 6 seconds, which is where I want to extract a frame from. I'll use this frame to import into GIMP and color correct the video. So I'm going to now use the extract frame script to extract a frame from the video at 6 seconds. So I run extract frame -i and the path to the video file and the -s option and the number of seconds into the video I want to seek. That's now extracted a frame from the video, and I can then use this. I'll now open the image we extracted from the video with the GIMP. I'll open the image and then press Shift+ to zoom in a bit, and then go to the Colors menu and select Levels. There's a white balance, auto white balance picker that you can use if the image has a white spot in it that you can sample, but it doesn't always give great results. So I'll reset that and use the channels and levels individually. So first of all, I'm going to come to the input levels and set the darkest point of the image and the white point, and then adjust the midtones. So I'm going to adjust the midtones a bit to make it a bit brighter. And then I'm going to go through each of the channels. So I'm going to go into the red channel, and you can see there's a left channel here which will add more green, as you can see, and the far right one will actually add more red, which is not what we want. So we'll set the sort of red point down here to remove a bit of red, and then adjust the mid levels. You can see here, moving it to the left adds more red, so we want to move it to the right a bit. And then we'll come through to the green channel and do the same thing. We don't want to adjust the end point because you see that adds more green. So you're going to work with the left and the midsection, so we can move that a bit, and then adjust the mid levels to move or adjust any green if needed. And then you can toggle the preview on and off as you go. And then I'm going to come to the blue channel, do the same thing, set the blue point. You don't want to adjust the far right because it's going to add more blue. So to say, you're going to work with the left or middle really. You can see that's adding more sort of green. So you could maybe adjust the center point a bit. So in this case, I'm just moving a bit to the right of the bit, and toggling the preview on and off. Then what we want to do is click Edit these settings as curves. And we come across here, and what you need to do is click this little button here, Manage Presets, export current settings to file. So that's that little button there. So click Export Current Settings to File, select your desktop or somewhere convenient, and give the GIMP curve a file name so that you can remember it. and save it. If I list the files in the current directory, you can see we have a gimp-curve file we created previously. I can now open this file to show you what it looks like. If I run the curve2ffmpeg script with the -h option, it will display the help menu. We can see here we just provide a -i option and then the gimp-curve file. So I'll run curve2ffmpeg with the -i option and the path to the gimp-curve file, and it will then create a new text file with the code that's been converted into ffmpeg code. So we can open this file now and you can see how it looks different.